Okay, I have another challenge lock. Locks of Anarchy sent it to me, but it was pinned by Polty314. He said he picked it on video number 10. It's full of spools. It's a challenge lock. The lock does work. It is locked up. I have removed the clip on the back to save a little time. So let's open it up and check the spools out. Okay, we'll try to get a fairly close up of it. Okay, let's use the bottom of the keyway, and let's try this pick. Let's go to the back of the lock. Okay, there's a little bit on number 5. Okay, number 3. Check the back again. Okay, that was number 4 instead of 5. We got 5. There's 5. Didn't go far enough back. Okay, we got number 2. Now number 1. Okay, we still haven't got number 1 set. It's a hard pin to set. See if we can. Okay, there it is, open. Whoops, almost pulled the plug out. Still almost pushed it out. Alright, check the pins out on the lock. And once we got that number 1 set, it was ready to open. Alright, let's see if we can slide it out. Okay, that looks good. Let's get it a little bit further away. Okay, it's a 5-pin lock. All the pins are in it and working. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Look like part of them, I don't know whether it's serrated or not. We'll look at them close in a moment. It's just a standard plug. Okay, now let's check our top pins. Okay, it's a spool. 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 And spool. Nothing has been changed about the Bible. So let's look at their pins a little bit closer. Okay, as you can see, they're all spools, and all the ones in the bottom are standard pins. So there's nothing really extra special about the lock except that it does have spools in it. Okay, I appreciate you watching. Please do not do anything illegal, and please stay out of trouble. Thank you.